Thank you guys for tuning into the channel today. So today, you guys, we have such a great job. So this job is coming directly from American Express, you guys. American Express is paying over $200,000 for such a simple, such an easy job, you guys. This job is fully remote, full benefits, you guys. It offers a bonus as well. And like I said, it is fully remote. Y'all go get this job. But in order to get this job, you need a professional resume. And y'all know Sam has got y'all with her virtual resume rewrite session, you guys. So the virtual resume rewrite session, I have pre-written all of your skills, your experiences, everything that you need to tell them is included within that virtual resume rewrite session. When I tell you the session is copy and paste from all of my pre-written templates for you. Copy and paste, copy and paste. I'm telling you guys everything you need to tell them in order to land this and any other job, you guys. That professional resume kit, you guys, have landed so many people, so many great jobs. And I'm about to get into that because we are going to do the shout outs of the day, you guys. We have some amazing, amazing shout outs. You guys, let's get right into it. We got Kenneth. Kenneth used to be a property manager, you guys. He used to be a property manager. He was already making good money, but he said, Sam, I want to sit at home. I don't want to have that type of stress, and I don't like seeing my coworkers. I told him, well, get the virtual resume rewrite session and get to work and land your remote job. And yes, he did, you guys. He went from a property manager to a program manager, you guys. And he now has a salary of $189,000. Kenneth, I am so excited for you. Keep on going, bro. Keep going, bro. And I'm going to tell you, use the salary that you have now to negotiate for other program management jobs. You guys, the resume kit is so super simple, so super easy. Literally, I give you your title so that you can negotiate to other positions, okay? That virtual resume rewrite session that I made, it is made for people who are tired of their jobs, tired of the industry they're in, and they want to be able to transition. The first thing that happens is your resume. You need to put those transitional words, phrases, and experience. I don't even care if you don't have experience. You need to put those on your resume so that you can land this job, just like Miss Mariah. Well, I tell you, Miss Mariah, she is a sophomore in college, you guys. She's a sophomore in college. She literally said she had no management experience, nothing like that. She used the virtual resume rewrite session. She is still in college, you guys, and she is now a project manager. She is over so many people. She is over people that are way more experienced than her, way older than her, you guys. She used the virtual resume rewrite session and she landed the job. She got the job, you guys. She is literally about 20 years old. She's 20 years old and she is someone else's boss. That could be you. When I tell you, you don't have to have the experience. All you have to do is get the virtual resume rewrite session and use the experience that I have already put down for you guys. She's a project manager, you guys. She's a project manager at a fintech company. They are paying this sister so well. Miss Mariah, keep on going, girl. Use that job to go get another one, go get another one, go get another one. Okay, and then we got Mr. Sebastian, you guys. Sebastian, he makes $150,000 as a project manager, you guys. I am so excited for all of my success stories. When I tell you guys, stop doubting yourself, go get that virtual resume rewrite session and go put your application in. Go apply for these jobs. I don't care if you don't have experience. I don't care if you've been in the workforce forever. You need to tighten up your skills, and the virtual resume rewrite session does it for you. I tell you everything that you need to say in order to land the job, okay? So let's get into the inspiration of the day, and then we're going to get into this job, because when I tell you this job is fabulous, amazing, I absolutely mean it. All right, the inspiration of the day, you guys, is no matter what tribulation, no matter what turbulence you are facing today, this turbulence, these situations that you're going through, they are temporary. Just like when you get in a plane, it has all of that turbulence. But guess what? You pray and you're going to make it to your destination. God is not going to leave you to fail. He will put you in his arms. He will put you under his wings and get you where you got to go. So that is the inspiration of the day. And when I tell you, that's from my own personal inspiration, because I've been through some stuff I can't even tell y'all about. But I have never been disappointed at the way my God delivers for me. For me. So what you're going to put in the text box today is that my God will deliver me. My God will deliver me. You guys like, follow, and put that comment down there, because we're going to get right into this job. This job is so good. When I tell you this is one of those life-changing jobs, I absolutely 100% mean it. So let's get into this job right now, you guys. Let's go. All right, so American Express, they are looking for a developer of a director of account development. You guys, do not let these huge titles scare you. Do not let them get in the way of you doing what you need to do. When I tell you this job is super simple, super easy, and we're going to break it down, because this is stuff that you guys are doing at your current jobs anyway. What I'm going to tell you to do is go get that virtual resume rewrite session, because on this job, all they're looking for is experience that you have done it before, okay? They don't want you to have a degree. What they're looking for is the experience that you have done it before. In the virtual resume rewrite session, I pre-write all of your skills, all of your experience, your bio as a program manager, you guys. Your bio as a program manager is already pre-written for you. Everything is pre-written for you already. All you have to do is cut, copy, and paste. And then I took it a step further, and I gave you titles that you are going to use to show them you have already done this and any other job. So y'all got to get into it. You got to get into it, because this job is too good, so good. Y'all can't let this job go, okay, you guys? All right, so we are going back to it. It says this is for New York, the United States. So this isn't a remote job, you guys. So let's get into this. Let's get into it right now, you guys. Let's go. Okay, so you can read up on the company, but let's get straight into the job. It says the director, this is the last paragraph. It says the director, U.S. Verticals, will report to the VP, U.S. Verticals, and lead a team of 4. The successful candidate will have proven fellowship rooted in empowerment, accountability, demonstrated ability to develop and lead a team to execute a data-driven strategy to drive growth and profitability, and demonstrate ability to influence and build relationship with key decision makers. Manufacturing industry experience preferred, you guys. So basically what they're telling you is you are going to be leading a team of 4, okay? So you're going to need the leadership skills, and those leadership skills are what you're going to put in the virtual resume rewrite session. And when I tell you guys, I have already written your experience. So even if you have no experience, I have already pre-written that experience for you guys, okay? It says responsibility. Let's go down to responsibilities. It says hire, train, coach, and manage a team of direct reports as payment experts. Develop and execute a portfolio growth strategy, adapting plans and priority to adjust address resource operational challenges, lead development of proposals related to client renewal and expansion, negotiate client contracts, develop and execute strategies to strengthen senior client relationships, identifying gaps in relationships, stacking, and strategies to bridge them. Partner and influence across internal groups to deliver a strong value proposition to client base, utilize innovation to overcome complex client barriers, resolve escalated issues, and manage internal stakeholders. Okay, so basically, what they're telling you is you're going to help them with the operations of their team. You're going to lead the team, you're going to coach the team, you're going to train the team before. What you're also going to do is their operations management. You need to basically say that you have experience managing their operations, okay? It is super simple, super easy. And like I said, most of these jobs do on the job training. So I do not want you guys to get afraid because, hey, I haven't had any experience. If you use the virtual resume rewrite session, you are going to look like you have all of that experience, okay? I wrote it specifically so you can say that you have experience managing, leading teams, leading their operations, and basically this is a project management job. Super simple, super easy. And it says lead the development of proposals, negotiate client contracts. Super simple, super easy. They're going to train you and they're going to tell you exactly what you need to do on this job. Y'all, stop playing. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session and rewrite your resume for this, okay? This is such a super simple, super easy job if you use the virtual resume rewrite session because, like I said, I have already told you guys and listed to you guys what you need to say to land this. Y'all go get this job. Now let's look at the minimum qualifications. The minimum qualifications are super simple, so let's get into that right now. All right, so the minimum qualifications, it says demonstrated leadership through accountability, transparency, and collaboration to build highly engaged teams, ability to organize virtual teams and influence managed teams. So if you can hold a virtual meeting from Zoom, baby, you got it. You got it. Okay, it says demonstrated leadership. So that's why it says the virtual resume rewrite session comes into play because it offers all of those leadership jobs, you guys. Every one of those skills, every one of those leadership skills that they are looking for, it is included within the virtual resume rewrite session, and it has the skill, you guys. So you have the skill and you have the experience. The experience is going to tell them everything that you have, quote unquote, done. Okay. So all you do is cut, copy, and paste. It says manufacturing industry experience, preferred knowledge of B2B, key trends and payment processes, strong financial acumen, results orientated and strategic thought leadership, ability to gain in-depth understanding of client needs to develop and execute a client-focused account plan, proven relationship management skills, demonstrating a comfort level and effectiveness in seeking out and establishing relationships at C levels and across cross-functional areas with large companies. So basically, are you able to talk to like the corporate guys, the executives? Are you able to comfortably talk to them and relay reports and all of that stuff? Super simple, super easy. And there is a skill in the virtual resume rewrite session for handling stakeholders, you guys. That is just super simple, super easy, okay? It says proven relationship management, effective oral and written communication skills, strong partnership skills to identify opportunities and continue to improve product and servicing for clients, ability to travel as required. So you have a minimum of 25% of the time you might be traveling, okay? Salary range. Okay, let's get to this salary. So the salary range for this job, the salary range is 130,000 to $205,000 annually. You're going to get a bonus, you're going to get equity, which is stock options. You need those. Hey, those stock options can retire you on their own, you guys. And the benefits, okay? And the benefits. And like I said, you guys, all of these jobs have ranges on them. So they're going to range from whatever, a really low number to a really high number. Use the virtual resume rewrite session and its experience so that you can get the higher number. That is the whole reason why I wrote this resume session as I did, because I don't want you to get the smaller number. I want you to say that you have enough experience to get the higher number, you guys. That is the whole point of this. You guys, go get that virtual resume rewrite session so you can use the experience that I gave you and that they are looking for, so you're able so that you're able to get the higher one. Like I said, this resume rewrite session is a super simple, super easy. It's no work required on this. If you can cut, copy, and paste, baby, you got the job. If you can cut, copy, and paste, you got it. You got it, okay? Y'all go out, go get that virtual resume rewrite session on this good old Tuesday. You guys go rewrite your skills, go rewrite your experience, and land this job. And land the job, not only land the job, but land the job at the higher pay, the highest that they are going to pay, okay? Because I want you to have a professional resume that's going to have the experience for you guys to cut, copy, so that you can, I'm sorry, not cut, copy, and paste, but so that you can land the job. And I'm talking not talking about the little job. I'm talking about the bigger salary. That's what I want you to land. I want you to land the bigger salary, you guys. Literally, go get that virtual resume rewrite session. Cut, copy, and paste. No work, no think. All you're doing is cutting and pasting. You guys have such an amazing, wonderful, wonderful day today. Get to work, okay? This is, when I tell you, this is the year of abundance. I don't want you guys coming into 2024 with bills. I don't want y'all coming into 2024 with evictions, repos. I don't want that for you. I want you to live this year, live the rest of this year, and live next year in abundance. Y'all go get that virtual resume rewrite session and change your life. You guys have such a wonderful, amazing, a day of an abundance, but make it productive. You guys have a great day. See you guys on the next video. Bye.